everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm here to share some tips on how to prepare for your PTE exam and score higher. So come on, let's start now. The PTE, Pearson's Academic Test, is an AI scored exam. It is different from all other English proficiency exams because of its scoring pattern. To score high in PTE, you need a strategic approach. Focus on the important question types first. PTE has 20 different question types in 4 modules: writing, reading, speaking, and listening. Let's check the top types to target. First, read aloud. Second, summarize spoken test. Third, repeat sentence. Fourth, write from dictation. Fifth is reading and writing fill in the blanks. These questions carry 20 to 30% of your total marks, so managing your time in these questions is very crucial. Now, let's break down the top scoring question types. First, repeat sentence. You will have 10 to 12 questions and 10 to 12 seconds for each answer. Each question will be 8 to 21 words long. Total time you will spend will be 30 to 45 seconds on each question. Marks will be 13 for each question. Second, write from dictation. It will be 3 to 4 questions you have to answer in 3 to 5 seconds. It contains 1 mark per correct answer. Third is write an essay, one of the 2 writing questions. Practice developing ideas and structuring your essays properly. Next is reading section. Read aloud and fill in the blanks. Read aloud has 3 questions which scores you 45 to 50 marks. Fill in the blanks has 6 questions which has a score of 45 marks. By focusing on these question types and managing your time wisely, you can boost your PTE scores. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and all the best for your PTE preparations.